Get your British tea bags. These are the ones that I find work best for putting it in a cup. Put it in the cup. Get freshly boiled water. It's going to be fully boiled. You can't have any of this lukewarm stuff. You can't heat it up in a microwave. You've got to do it in the kettle or a saucepan. And then simply pour the water gently over the tea bag. Make sure you're hitting the tea bag because you want to scald the tea. When you get to about there, stop. This is where the magic comes, because you want to have tea with milk. You don't want milky tea. You want tea, black tea with milk. And the idea is you get it to the right colour. So put that in like that, that's about right. But this is not yet done. Get yourself a spoon, stir, don't rush it. Let the colour come out, because the colour with these tea bags is the flavour. If you don't have the colour, you don't have the flavour. You keep pushing it around, or you can leave it. Leave it for a little while. See how that colour is developing now. It actually is a lot healthier colour. We're looking for what I would describe as middle oak. Sort of colour that you would expect a middle oak sideboard or table to be. And that's what we're looking for here. Now, because of this, where the lighting is working on here, this is the colour we're looking for. Now, move that out of the way. We remove the bag. And you can squeeze the bag. It's a lot easier to do with two hands. You can squeeze the bag. And that is a nice cup of tea. But that is scalding hot. If you drink that now, it will melt your mouth. So don't. What you have to do is you have to wait for it to cool down a little bit. It has to be hot, but not scalding. That's how you make a good British brew with a Tetley tea bag. You're actually better off using a pot and measuring it in. But if you don't want to do it that way, this is a quick way and you get a good result.